Smoking kills, not just the smoker, but those around them too. Smoking-related illnesses kill over 7 million people worldwide each year. Have you ever considered quitting smoking but found it too daunting? Are you looking for effective ways to kick this habit for good? In today's video, we're sharing 10 life-changing tips to help you stop smoking. This is not a quick fix. Rather, it is intended to be a first step on your journey to a smoke-free life. Watch to the end for a powerful bonus tip from my personal experience of quitting. Number 1. Identify your why. Understanding your personal reasons for quitting smoking is a cornerstone of behavioral treatment approaches in smoking cessation. It may be health concerns, family, financial savings, or self-improvement. These reasons become a powerful tool in resisting cravings and temptations. Individualized motivations are more effective in sustaining long-term behavior change compared to generalized reasons. Write down your reasons and revisit them regularly. Put them on post-it notes in places you will see. This reinforces your commitment and reminds you of the tangible and intangible benefits you stand to gain by quitting. It helps bolster your resolve during challenging moments. Number 2. Set a quit date. Choosing a specific date to stop smoking is a positive step in planning your quit journey. Specific and time-bound goals are more effective in changing behaviors. By setting a quit date, you are not only mentally preparing yourself for change but also creating a tangible goal to work towards. This method helps in building up a sense of anticipation and commitment, which are key in overcoming initial withdrawal symptoms. The period leading up to your quit date can be used to gradually reduce smoking, thus easing the transition. Start to dispose of smoking accessories such as spare lighters and ashtrays. Tell close friends and family your plan and quit date. Most will be supportive, wanting the best for you, and will be ready with encouragement if your willpower starts to falter. Anyone who smokes themselves may choose to join you on your journey. Number 3. Understand your triggers. Smoking cessation theories emphasize the importance of recognizing personal triggers that lead to smoking. It could be that you smoke more when you are in a bar. Maybe you reach for a cigarette when on a call with a friend. Do you light up a cigarette when you are under stress? By identifying situations, emotions, or activities that increase your urge to smoke, you can develop specific strategies to cope with these triggers. This could include finding alternative stress relief methods or avoiding certain triggers altogether, at least during the initial withdrawal period. The aim is to break the automatic association between these triggers and smoking, thereby reducing the likelihood of a relapse. This approach focuses on understanding and changing thought patterns that lead to unwanted behaviors. Number 4. Seek support. Research supports the theory that social support is a powerful tool in successful smoking cessation. Surrounding yourself with friends, family, or joining support groups can provide encouragement, advice, and a sense of accountability. This external support complements internal motivation and can significantly increase the chances of quitting successfully. Peer support groups, in particular, offer the opportunity to share experiences, challenges, and strategies with others who are undergoing similar journeys. This creates a community of support that can be incredibly motivating. Have people you can call when you are experiencing a strong craving who will talk you out of reaching for a cigarette. Knowing you are not alone and have support from people who will give you their strength when yours is depleted can help through the more difficult times. Number 5. Exercise regularly. Engaging in regular physical activity is beneficial in managing nicotine cravings and withdrawal symptoms. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, and can reduce the stress and anxiety often associated with quitting smoking. The distraction provided by exercise also helps in breaking the routine of smoking, offering a healthy alternative to cope with cravings. In addition to this, you will notice your breathing improving as you progress, both from building up stamina through exercise, and because your lungs will be working more efficiently. With the combined effect, you will be able to become more active and enjoy life. Number 6. Use quit aids. Nicotine replacement therapies, NRT, like patches, gums, or lozenges can play a pivotal role in reducing withdrawal symptoms and cravings. Nicotine is an addictive substance. NRT provides a controlled dose of nicotine to ease the physical aspects of addiction, thereby allowing the individual to focus on the psychological aspects of quitting. This approach is backed by studies showing that NRT can double the chances of quitting successfully. It's important to consult a healthcare professional to find the most suitable form of NRT for your needs. Your physician, specialist nurse or pharmacist can help with this. Number 7. Practice mindfulness. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation into your quitting strategy can significantly benefit your mental well-being. These practices help in managing stress and anxiety, common triggers for smoking. The theory here is that by improving your ability to stay present and aware, you gain better control over your impulses and reactions. Regular mindfulness practice can lead to improved emotional regulation, reducing the likelihood of turning to cigarettes as a coping mechanism. Number 8. Don't worry about weight. Many people are deterred from trying to quit because they are concerned that they may gain weight when they quit. This is a risk. Nicotine is a stimulant, and quitting can temporarily cause a slight slowing in metabolism. The hand-to-mouth habit formed in smoking may be replaced by eating more and picking at sweets and treats. Smoking is more of an immediate threat to your health than a few extra pounds. As your breathing improves, you will be able to exercise more, which will help restore the balance. Your metabolism will stabilize, as well as directly burning off extra calories. You may gain a little weight, but think of all the extra years you'll have to lose it. Number 9. Reward yourself. Setting up a reward system for reaching milestones in your quit journey can be highly motivating. Celebrating smoke-free days or weeks not only provides immediate gratification but also reinforces your decision to quit. Allocating the money saved from not buying cigarettes towards these rewards can also provide a tangible reminder of the benefits of quitting. Stick around for the bonus tip for more on this. Number 10. Remember, relapse isn't failure. Understanding that relapse is a common part of the quitting process is essential. This approach is grounded in the theory of behavior change, which acknowledges that setbacks are often part of the journey towards permanent change. If you do slip up, it's important to analyze what led to the relapse and use this insight to strengthen your quitting strategy moving forward. A slip-up is just that. Acknowledge it, but remember that it doesn't mean you've failed. You only fail when you stop trying. Having one cigarette, or a rough day, where you smoke does not mean that you should give up. Each attempt at quitting should be seen as a learning experience, bringing you closer to your goal of a smoke-free life. Bonus tip. Cigarettes in most countries are becoming more and more expensive. Governments are raising taxes on cigarettes as a deterrent to smoke, and also to raise revenue to offset the cost of smoking-related illnesses. On my personal journey, I found one of the most powerful motivators was to set aside the money I would have spent on cigarettes. I bank online, and have a savings account linked to my checking account. Figuring I was smoking a pack a day, I went into my banking app and transferred the cost of a pack of cigarettes each day into my savings. You can do this weekly or monthly, but I really found that seeing the amount go up daily boosted my resolve to keep going. And it built up quickly. Take a look at these savings based on the average price of a pack of the top branded cigarettes. That money is currently going up in smoke. Comment below to let us know how you will spend it when you quit. We hope these tips help you on your journey to quitting smoking. Remember, it's never too late to start a healthier, smoke-free life. Don't forget to subscribe to Vigor Vault, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with someone who might benefit from it. Leave a comment to let us know which tip you found most helpful or suggest a topic you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching.